Hello there, I'm Aman and I'm back again with another interesting video on the disbursement process of HDFC Credila. So you have got your education loan sanctioned and you are thinking you're all set, but wait, did you know that an education loan sanction letter is valid only for 6 months? Failing to disburse the education loan within that time could lead to your loan application getting cancelled and starting over the entire loan process. It's a common but costly mistake that many students make. Surprised, right? So now that you know the importance of disbursement process, let us take a closer look at HDFC Credila disbursement process. Before I start with the disbursement process of HDFC Credila, let first understand its meaning. Disbursement is the process of releasing funds from your loan account to your own account, which is savings account or current account, or directly to the university. This ensures that the funds that are available for the student's education related expenses, whether it is tuition, living or any other expenses as specified in the loan agreement, to be used at the end of the day, and this is called disbursement. The team generally disburses tuition fee directly to the university. But what about your living expenses? Well, for that you have to watch the video till the end. Oh, and before I forget, if you are someone who is looking for an education loan from HDFC Credila, then we have created a separate video on that too. Click on the I button to watch it right now, or there is a link in the description of the video. The disbursement process is pretty straightforward. Once your student loan gets approved, you just have to submit a request for the amount you need and what it's for, like tuition or living expenses. The lender checks this against your loan terms and then sends the money either to your bank account or directly to your university. This way, the funds are used exactly where they need to be. Further, disbursements follow the same steps, but you might have to show you are still enrolled or provide updated financial information. Folks, more or less, almost all lenders have similar disbursement processes. But for a student eyeing HDFC Credila for their education loan, I will explain the exact education loan disbursement process. Starting with step 1, receiving sanction letter and agreement. Now, once the Credila team has analyzed your profile and verified your documents, they will issue you a sanction letter and the initial loan agreement will be signed. Once those formalities are done, you will have to decide the date of disbursement. Now, the exact date of first disbursement can either depend on the visa application or on the last date of the tuition fee payment. Moving to step 2, deciding the disbursement amount. Once done with deciding the date, you have to decide the amount for the first disbursement considering the tuition fee and other living expenses. Step 3, preferred mode of transfer. Once you have picked a transfer mode like a wire transfer or a forex transfer, HDFC Credila will prepare the final loan agreement. You, your co-applicant, your guarantor will need to sign the final agreement. Step 4, student account setup. Now, at the beginning of this video, I discussed the disbursement of living expenses. Credila deposits this fund directly into the student's account, but the student account must open in an account of HDFC Bank specifically for managing their living expenses. For future disbursement, either the student or the co-applicant can reach out to HDFC Credila to arrange for the further disbursements payments. Here is an interesting fact. Students, if you have paid any token money or a tuition fee, say the first semester fee, then you can get that reimbursed from your loan. To do so, you have to submit the receipt to the Credila team of the payment that made during your loan application, and they will take care of it during the disbursement. Now, the disbursement process is incomplete without submitting the required documents. I will list down the documents required for Credila disbursement process. Number 1, self-attested loan agreement. Number 2, original KYC documents of student, co-applicant and guarantor. Number 3, the co-applicant must submit 9 to 12 post-dated check as security in case the co-applicant is unable to make the payment. In case a co-applicant is unable to make an interest payment in a particular month, they will use that check to deduct the amount. And if you want a customized education loan checklist, then click on the link mentioned in the description and you will get a customized document checklist. So there you have it. Well, the disbursement process at HDFC Credila is quite straightforward. However, throughout these 8 years, I have often seen borrowers encounter several common problems that can cause unnecessary delays. To help you avoid them, I will list out these typical problems so you can step aside any potential hiccups. Problem 1. Delay in sanction letter. The approval process for education loan can sometimes be unnecessarily lengthy, leading to delay in disbursing the fund. The delay in the sanction letter can cause stress and uncertainty for students and their families. Problem 2. Disbursement delays. Despite promising a disbursement on a specific date, the lender may come back out on their commitment and fail to fulfill it in a timely manner. And that is a very, very common scenario that I have seen across. Problem 3. Pre-visa disbursement. Pre-visa disbursement refers to the process of releasing funds from an education loan to a student or their educational institute before obtaining a student visa for studying abroad. It is essential to note that some lenders may offer this facility while others may disburse funds only after the student's visa is approved. So far, HDFC Credila, unlike other lenders, ensures a smooth disbursement process, minimizing the issues commonly faced by students. Now, all said and done, when taking an education loan, things vary from profile to profile. For someone, this problem might be as small as a hiccup, but for someone, they can be huge roadblocks. I strongly feel that borrowing an education loan is quite a life-changing decision. Hence, it is essential for borrowers to make informed decisions. Remember that there are several crucial steps even after disbursement, such as repayment and tax saving, that requires attention and expert advice. And when making such a life-altering decision, let GyanDhan be your financial expert. For hassle-free disbursement and to avail maximum benefits, turn to GyanDhan for an expert guidance in securing the best education loan option tailored to your needs. Thinking about how to start? Just click on the link in the description and our team will take it forward from there. And that's it. This was a quick video on HDFC Credila disbursement process. If you are still feeling unsure about anything, then drop your question in the comments box and our team will get back to you as soon as possible. Also, we would love to hear from you about the problems you have gone through during your education loan journey. And yes, if you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more.